Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to do another acrylic. It's not a pour. We are just going to make some skins. So I've got some lemon yellow, mid yellow, neon orange, vermilion red, and then some Mars black and titanium white. So can you guess what kind of skins we're going to be doing? It'll be fun. So as always, I'm using the chopping mat from Dollar Tree right here. Comes two per, and so I have one of those, and I have it with the slick side up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take some black, and I'm just going to move that around a little bit, and then I'm going to take some white and I'm going to go in between here, just like that. Then I'm just going to start with my yellows and work my way, doing the same exact thing, just like that. You can see the two different colors of yellows. And then we're going to go in with some orange. And then some red. And then I'm going to do a little bit more of the black. Just some dots here. There we go. And then I'm just going to take my tweezers and we're going to swirl these guys around, just like that. And then we can go backwards if we'd like, and just get those colors swirled. So much fun. Now we're just going to take that. Of course, I'm going to clean this off, and now that I've done that, I'm going to move these out of the way, and then we're going to stretch everything just by moving it around and getting some nice long. Starting to look like some fire going on there. It really does, right? Look at how pretty that is. These are going to make some beautiful necklaces, and when they're done, they're going to go into my Etsy shop, and oh my goodness, these are looking so pretty. Alright, if you know anybody who would appreciate this kind of necklace or anything like that, feel free to show them. They can either buy it on my Etsy shop or they could make them themselves. Just have them learn here on how to do it. Very quick and very easy. And I am just loving this. Trying to get a little bit more over here, especially right in here. Some of these colors are just coming out amazing. And the more you can get, the better, but you don't want to go too far where it starts really like, see here, that is not, I mean, that might make something pretty, but right now that gray color is not really hitting me. So I'm going to stop here. We're going to let it cure for the next 24 hours and dry, and then if you want to see the final results, check out my Etsy shop. Alright beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!